take out.
Yeah.
Because you got a lot of heat here. That will put on top of the sand. Okay. Now we're going to take some banana leaves.
Let's go, bud.
And yes, it's going to smoke. But that's what we want.
This is one of the most critical parts of this whole oven there. Because without this, it doesn't become an oven. Right. Right. Here we go.
Yeah. Now we're going to take the leg. This is the bottom piece.
Bottom, yeah.
That's where all the onions is underneath.
You know what the beauty about the banana leaves is all these flavors actually get into the meat somehow as well. Eh?
Put that underneath.
Oh, there we go. Yo.
Then we put the rest of them on top. Now we're going to have to put the sand. Yeah.
Done? Go.
The sand on top. Because that's your sealing the heat. Okay, this other right. Okay. Now we just fold the hole. This is important. You must seal it.
Yeah, we don't want to see too much of this, like on the side here, because this is what
So that's fine. It will smoke.
it'll smoke. But we don't want to. Yeah,
seal it. Yeah.
you want to seal it as much as possible. This is going to create the most beautiful, beautiful oven already. Never mind the fact that the ground around this whole pit right now is actually over 120 degrees.
Yeah, the sand.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's what we do for fun. Go, bud. There we go. There we go.
Okay.
A little bit more on the back end there, bud. Yes, there we go.
And now we put the coals on top.
And prepare our next fire, which you will see shortly.
Okay. Now we add the wood on top. This one just for get some heat on top. Okay, that's that. Catch fire now. Okay.
Whoops.
Back. Okay, catch fire now. Is it falls? I'll take a video when it lights.